Over the weekend, Uganda received a donation of 586,080 doses of COVID-19 vaccines from China and Norway. This consignment contained 286,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine, as well as 300,000 of the Sinopharm vaccine. The vaccines were immediately handed over to national medical stores as the Ministry of Health worked out a distribution program.
By yesterday, we had already dispatched a distribution to the national medical stores to undertake the distribution.
Today, National Medical Stores has revealed that it will start distributing the donated vaccines next week after receiving the distribution program from the Ministry of Health.
So we expect that by next week, all districts shall have received their vaccines and the immunization or vaccination can start.
The distribution process will start from the farthest districts and close in gradually.
So the distribution process is based in zones. We distribute according to zones. We have Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, Zone 4 and Zone 5. Zone 1 is the farthest up to Karamoja. So we ensure that we try as much as possible to distribute even to the farthest point.
However, it has been made clear by the Ministry of Health that people who are awaiting their second dose of vaccines will be given priority in this round of vaccination.
Of people who need vaccination, including essential workers, elderly, security personnel, those ones who initially received the first dose.
Equally, teachers and students whose learning depends on the country's vaccination program will not be overlooked. Whereas concern has risen over the expiry date of these drugs, the ministry has made it clear that all vaccines will be used before their expiry dates.
The shelf life indeed is at the end of this month, of next month, that is 30th September. That's when these vaccines expire. But on a weekly basis, we are able to vaccinate about 100,000 persons.
As such, Ugandans have been urged to take advantage of this opportunity because the full reopening of the economy depends on it. Currently, 902,293 people have received their first dose of the COVID vaccines, while 232,743 have received 2 doses. Government hopes to vaccinate 20 million people before the economy can be fully reopened. Joyce Nakato, NTV Tonight.